Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Pabriag, MB Pabriag, MB Pabriag. Call sign, DOHX, MMSI, 9876-54321. Our position is 13 degree, 42 minutes north, 121 degree, 18 minutes east. We have collided with a submerged object, are taking on water, and losing power. There are 12 persons on board. We required immediate assistance. Over. Panpan, panpan, panpan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MB Pabriag, MMSI 9876-54321. Following our Mayday call, flooding is partially controlled but the vessel remains without propulsion. We are drifting close to a traffic separation route. Assistance is still required. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is 9876-54321. A disabled vessel, MB Pabriag, is drifting at 13 degree 42 minutes north, 121 degree 18 minutes east. After a distress situation, all vessels are advised to keep well clear and navigate with caution in this area. This is a safety message. Out.